Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your website to Google Search Console. So to start, what you have to do is to come to this web page here. You just have to come to search.google.com/search-console. Let me highlight it so that you can see it here. This is it here. This is the URL that you visit whenever you want to add your website to Google Search Console. So right here in my Google Search Console, I will try to add a new property, right? That if you are visiting this page for the first time, this is what you see. But if you have added any website already, then you see something like this already. But since I have already added a site, so this is what I will see. So to add, you just click here, click on add property. So here you type your website name, alright, jiginethost.com. then you click on continue. Alright, so what you do is you copy this code here, copy it, then come to your cPanel. When you come to your cPanel, you go to domains. You can search here, or you can just scroll down and locate where your domain is. Alright, so here in domains, you see your domain here. Alright, what you do is to click on manage. When you click on manage, it will take you to this page. So you click on modify the zones. When you click on modify the zones, it will take you to another page. Alright, here in this page you will see many records. There are many records here. Alright, so what you just do is to say add record. When you click on add record, you click here, enter your website name, jiginethost.com. Alright, so here you leave it at this 1400. Here, this place that says type, you change it to TXT. Alright, when you change it to TXT, this record will change to text. So you just paste that code that you got from Google Search Console page, then you save. Wait for it to save. It has saved successfully. So now you come back to your Search Console page. You click on verify. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it has verified successfully, meaning that we have added jiginethost.com to our Google Search Console. So that's how to add your website to Google Search Console. As you can see, it's very easy. Alright, thank you for watching to this point. See you on my next video.